The urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 123, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, and Tuscarawas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 123 has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, and Tuscarawas.
Oh, so it's the whole...
Weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 123 has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence and Mercer, and Geneva on the Lake to Conneaut. Weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Marion, and Morrow. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for eastern Marion County, Morrow County, southeastern Crawford County until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mount Gilead, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated location.
An event.
Nope.
Or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mount Gilead around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Iberia, Shaw, Edison, Caledonia, and Fulton.
Knox, Marion, Marlboro, and Richland. 20 miles plus SVR. Big SVR.
The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, eastern Marion County, Ashland County, Morrow County, southeastern Crawford County, Knox County, western Holmes County in northeastern Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Shelby to 6 miles northeast of Mount Gilead to 6 miles south of Prospect, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Trees and power lines. Weather Service.
Other thing.
4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Shelby to 6 miles northeast of Mount Gilead to 6 miles south of Prospect, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: power wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage. Tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Central and Northeastern Ohio. Repeating, severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Holmes, Knox, Marion, Marl, and Portland. Urgent weather message for the following counties: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, Summit, and northeastern Ohio. Tornado watch number 1, 2, 3. Daylight urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Knox, Marl, and Richland. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southern Richland County, southern Ashland County, northeastern Marl County, northern Knox County, northwestern Holmes County, and northeastern Ohio until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Chesterville, or 10 miles east of Mount Gilead, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
Northwestern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was...
Old reporter. That's... Let's make...
Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Chesterville, or 10 miles east of Mount Gilead, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Northeastern Marl County, northern Knox County, northwestern Holmes County, and northeastern Ohio until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Belleville around 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic...
It's the... Here.
To those caught without shelter, mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This means Waterford, Shaw, Lucas, Gann, and Butler.
You know what? Dad.
This is only a test.
Back to the music faster. 107.3 alternate.
What?
Drew,
What?
WNWV just did a weekly,
Are you freaking serious?
and I caught it live.
Let's go!
I heard the pre-roll. I was like, oh shit.
Like they're rolling a fucking weekly in the middle of a severe weather event. Right.
I called it. I called it.
That's the first time I heard that. I've seen that happen though.
Yeah, this station here.
My phone going off.
Yeah, this station here, WNWV 107.3, decides to do it weekly.
Oh, that's funny as heck.
And I caught that live.
My phone's alert system just went off. Little late.